What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode. You guys see the title, you guys see the vibes. But before we get started, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, that's We Don't Cook Food, just so you guys are up to date with the latest and the greatest. Make sure you guys shoot me a DM. Let me know you came from this video, and I'll follow you back. Enough about that, guys. This release right here, officially releasing on the Nike Sneakers app tomorrow, September 8th. Good luck with that. It is the Nike Sacai Fragment LD Waffle. Wow, guys. Where do I even start? Luckily enough, we were able to hit on a pair on the official Sacai site raffle on the 24th, I believe. Maybe earlier than that, I don't know. But regardless, yeah, guys, these finally drop tomorrow. Good luck on the Sneakers app. I'm going to be trying regardless, but you know how that goes. Yeah, so a little bit about these guys. They're actually pretty similar to pairs that we've been fortunate enough to cook before. The big takeaway with this one is that it is a fragment pair. If you guys haven't checked out those videos on the past Sacai drops that we have cooked, make sure you guys check them out. I'll drop the links in the bio or in the video in the description. You know what it is. And yeah, guys, so it's a clean colorway. It reminds me of like some gray wolf type shit, and it's ultimately something I would rock myself. I'm gonna have the video just kind of playing in the background for you guys, but yeah, guys, again, we were able to hit on the Nike or the Sacai site raffle, so that's pretty exciting. Fragments are a big deal right now, as you guys all know. Travis Scott just had his Cactus Jack Fragment collab with the lows and the highs, as you can see in this photo right here. Unfortunately, you know how it goes. We didn't cook those up, nor did Travis make it easy on us, but we are lucky and thankful that we did hit on the Sacai Fragments. So guys, let me know in the comments, do you guys like them? What would you do with them personally? Are they a pair that you would rock? Are they a pair that you would dump, like resell? Or are they a pair that you would sit on and then eventually, wear in the future? Or just have as a display piece? I know a lot of people that are into the sneaker game. I forget that not everybody does wear their stuff. We all know that people do sell them, but a lot of people also just get pairs and then, they just have them on display and they let them sit, which is cool, to each their own. I'm not judging, nor am I hating. But yeah, guys, again, the premise of this video is just to give you guys a little review. This is a size 9.5 on StockX, not doing too hot. Not doing too bad for what it is. I'll go ahead and throw that size 9.5 on here right now. Personally, I think they are going to be a nice flip if you decide to actually flip them. They're not ugly. They are Sacai's, which are dope. The double swoosh, I think, is always the coolest little feature on them. The colorway itself, they did release in a pair with a navy pair as well, but the navy pair isn't actually even doing as well as this gray one. So yeah, guys, if it's me, I'm personally going for the gray one. I think that they're really dope and they've got a clean touch to them. I hope that if you are going for them tomorrow, best of luck to you. You know how the sneakers gods are. I don't know how they choose who they bless, but if they do, congratulations. If not, we'll catch you at the next drop. But enough about that, guys. Again, let me know in the comments, would you keep them? Are you going to go for them tomorrow? What size are you? And let me know what you think of this video. As always, guys, thank you for cooking with the kitchen. More videos and more heat on the way. Stay safe, guys, and let me know your thoughts. Sneaker reselling has been weirder and weirder lately. This year, I feel like it's kind of the year of the Jordan 4. Last year was the year of the dunks. So let me know in the comments, guys. Again, stay safe. Thank you for cooking with the kitchen, and peace.